Hey guys, oh my god, that bed is almost broken. So that wasn't planned. I decided to start vlogging right now as I kind of going through a lot of things right now, and I think it could be a good idea to share that with you guys. So basically, let me tell you a little bit about who I am. So I'm originally from France. Was born there, raised there, and like spent most of my life in France until I was 19. And when I was 19, I went to the US to study for a year. I learned English there. And then after that, I came to Montreal in Canada in 2014. For the first couple of years in Canada, I was studying political science and communications. And then after that, I started working mostly as a recruiter in human resources. So that's pretty much who I am. Yeah, I realize, guys, that I do all of these videos, but I think it's important to say who we are and just like introduce ourselves as well. So here it is. Ever since I've been working mostly in recruitment, everything was pretty fine. But then a couple of months ago, like 2 months ago, I got fired from my job as a recruiter, and then I decided that I would like spend more time exploring my creativity and things that I love. So here is the reason why I'm kind of doing this vlog right now. It's because in addition to my other videos, I would like from time to time just to share with you guys what's up in my life and maybe share some funny moments in my days. But I want to keep it very unscripted and very simple, and hopefully you guys gonna enjoy that new concept. So yeah. So to get started, so these past couple of months have been pretty challenging, as in addition to losing my job, I also lost my apartment. So I went to a friend's place, I stayed there a couple of weeks, and I went to my mom's place. But now, as I told you guys, I want to be more creative, so I decided that I would allow myself to rent like a temporary apartment as my visa is coming to an end in Canada in a couple of months. So I don't know if I'm gonna be looking for another job, in recruitment or whatever, or going back to France, do some like independent work back there, travel, discover Europe. That could be fun, right? So I'm still like very confused. Okay, a lot of information just to tell you guys that currently I'm in Airbnb for 1 week. Then in a week I'm going to another Airbnb for 3 weeks, and then after that I'm going to rent sublease an apartment downtown Montreal. So that's gonna be cool for until December, so for 2 months and a half. So that's pretty much what's going on with the apartment stuff. Let me show you the apartment that I'm in right now. It's nothing crazy, but it's very spacious, and I kind of enjoy that. Look at that hallway. You know, the student life, always living in studio apartment. You guys have no idea how it feels like to have a hallway. This is like a brand new concept to me. I've never been able to do that in any of my apartments. There we go. Here we have a little room to chill with a cool couch. Here we have the bedroom, which is pretty weird because there is no separation. This is pretty weird, but no, I mean, I don't mind at all. Like, it's super cool. And guys, the bonus is, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is a little balcony. Again, student's life, you guys have no idea what it means to us. Like, when we've been living in little things like in little bathrooms for a little while, you guys have no idea how it feels like to have such a nice place. Okay, I think you guys can see it, but there is a balcony just right here. So that's cool. Anyway, so, oh my God, that light is so aggressive. It's terrible. That's the kind of light that you don't want to have in your living room. Like it's pretty aggressive. You know, you want to keep it very chill, like with that kind of light. We love it. Maybe in the living room it's a little dark, but we like it that way. What do you want? So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. So that's my first night in that apartment. I'm pretty exciting, you know, after switching from place to places. So I'm gonna keep doing it as I have like 3 new apartments coming up. But anyways, it's good just to have like a space dedicated for ourselves. Everything is clean, you know. That's what I love about Airbnbs. It's that everything is clean, everything is perfect, and you know, it feels good. It feels like home. So that week's gonna be really one week to focus on the important things, like on the creativity, on the self-development, self-help, reading. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it, the first vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know if any of the things I said made sense, as you know, I said a million things in I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes. So I hope you guys are not lost. Now you know all my life, and that's cool. So yeah, guys, thank you, and I will see you on the next one.